You've just brought home a beautiful, vibrant bouquet from the flower shop, excited to arrange it in your favorite vase. But after only 2 short days, the petals begin to droop, lose their color, and wilt far sooner than you expected. By the end of today's video, however, you'll discover a few simple secrets that can help keep your flowers looking fresh and beautiful for much longer. The best part is that these tips don't require an expensive vase or fancy flower preservatives. With just a few simple steps and a handful of common household ingredients, you can help your flowers absorb water more efficiently, slow the growth of bacteria, and keep them looking fresh much longer. In this video, I'll guide you through every step, from choosing the freshest flowers and preparing the right vase solution to simple tricks for keeping the water clean, odor-free, and your bouquet looking its best. First, when selecting fresh flowers, carefully examine the sepals and leaves. Choose blooms with green sepals, firm stems, and healthy dark green leaves that are free from bruises or damage. The petals should feel firm and resilient with bright, vibrant colors. Avoid flowers with drooping, soft, or darkened petals. Now, let's get started. Method: keep cut flowers fresh longer. After bringing your flowers home, gently remove the wrapping paper and inspect the entire bouquet. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Many people simply place freshly purchased flowers directly into a vase of water. In reality, however, this is one of the reasons flowers tend to wilt more quickly. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Before arranging the flowers, the most important goal is to help the stems absorb water as efficiently as possible. Start by removing all the leaves that would be submerged below the waterline. These leaves will quickly begin to decompose, causing the vase water to become cloudy and creating an ideal environment for bacteria to grow. Once bacteria begin to multiply, they can clog the ends of the flower stems, preventing the flowers from absorbing enough water to stay fresh. That's why professional florists always take the time to clean the lower portion of each stem before arranging flowers. Next, prepare the ends of the flower stems. Using a pair of sharp pruning shears or a sharp knife, trim about 1 to 2 centimeters off the bottom of each stem. Avoid using dull scissors, as they can crush the stems and significantly reduce their ability to absorb water. Cut each stem at approximately a 45-degree angle. An angled cut creates a larger surface area for water absorption, while also preventing the cut end from sitting flat against the bottom of the vase. This allows water to circulate more freely around the stem, helping the flowers absorb water much more efficiently. In simple terms, you're opening up the flower's internal water pathways, making it easier for water to travel up the stem and keep the blooms fresh and hydrated. Once the flower stems are prepared, the next step is to get the vase ready. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Don't overlook this step. Even a vase that appears perfectly clean may still have a thin layer of residue that's difficult to see with the naked eye. That residue can become an ideal breeding ground for bacteria as soon as you fill the vase with water. So, be sure to wash the vase thoroughly before arranging your flowers. It's a small step, but it can make a significant difference in how long your bouquet stays fresh. Next, fill the vase with clean water. If possible, use filtered or purified water instead of tap water. clean water helps the flower stems absorb moisture more efficiently while slowing the growth of bacteria. Add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or fresh lemon juice to the water. This helps adjust the water's pH, making it easier for the flower stems to take up water. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. Many people don't realize that once flowers are cut from the plant, they no longer receive their natural supply of sugars. This small amount of sugar provides an additional source of energy, helping the flowers maintain their color and freshness for longer. Finally, add just 1 drop of household bleach or a very small amount of hydrogen peroxide. This helps inhibit bacterial growth, keeping the water clear and reducing unpleasant odors after several days. Stir gently until all the ingredients are fully dissolved. This homemade solution works much like the commercial flower food packets that come with bouquets, but you can easily prepare it yourself whenever you change the vase water. Once the flower-preserving solution is ready, you can begin arranging the flowers in the vase. Gently place each flower stem into the vase, making sure that the cut end of every stem is fully submerged in the water. This is very important because the flowers can only absorb enough water to nourish the blooms when the cut ends are completely immersed. If the stems are too long or the cut ends are not fully submerged, trim them to match the height of the vase. A well-proportioned vase not only makes the bouquet look more attractive, but also helps support the stems and allows them to absorb water more efficiently. Once you've finished arranging the flowers, place the vase in a cool location with soft, indirect, natural light. Avoid placing your vase in direct sunlight or near heat sources, as the flowers will wilt more quickly. Don't place the vase next to ripe fruit, as the ethylene gas it releases will cause the flowers to fade sooner. Now, let's take a look at the results. With just a few simple steps, your bouquet can stay beautiful for much longer. The blooms will remain fresh and vibrant, the petals will stay firm, and the colors will continue to look bright and lively far longer than with ordinary flower care. I hope these simple tips help you enjoy the beauty of your favorite bouquets for much longer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Clever Tricks channel for more simple yet highly effective tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.